Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter inside the frame rail on a pickup truck. Okay, on the driver's side. Almost all your pickup trucks, that's where they're located. This particular model truck is a Ford Ranger. First thing you're going to do, a lot of people take and undo it from this bracket right here where the filter, you just push up on this tab and push down this tab and the filter pops out. I personally don't like to do that. I like to get your fuel line tools. Here's a set right here. You can order online or buy them at your local tool store, even Lowe's or Harbor Freight or wherever you purchase your tools. This set, I believe, was just an aftermarket set. Come on Amazon. I think it was like $29.99. So you're going to get the right size that pops right in there on this line. It presses those two tabs in, pinches them closed, and pushes the line up, and you pop the line off, and you connect, and you pull it right out of the holder right here. And then we're going to do the back line. So then all that fuel will stay inside the filter and not make a big mess there where we're trying to undo the lines. And there you go, guys. There's a new fuel filter installed. Make sure your lines are connected. Make sure you have the fuel filter installed the correct way. The fuel coming from the tank at the rear goes through the filter this way, pointing with the arrow. Goes out this way into the engine. Make sure you reconnect all your lines. Double check your lines and your safety clips. And make sure the filter is installed correctly onto the frame before you go to start it. Wipe down any gas residue, and also, you know, let it evaporate. Whatever has evaporated, make sure you clean it really good before you go to start your vehicle for safety. Again, y'all found this video useful, smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Y'all have a great day.